Hi guys, Robert from robertoreed.com, and in this video, I'm going to tell you 3 reasons why not to make a New Year's resolution. Hi guys, Robert from robertoreed.com, and this is the time of year where everyone starts to make resolutions. They start saying things like, I'm going to stop smoking, I'm going to lose weight, I'm going to start that business, I'm going to take that trip, I'm going to get married. All these things, they sound good in theory, but the problem is, and the number one reason why you should not make a New Year's resolution is that you're not resolute. That means you don't have the resolve to actually follow through on it. The problem is you'll have decision fatigue. And what I mean by that is it's really tough to maintain a certain level of motivation over the course of time. And over the course of time, you start making excuses to yourself and telling yourself why you can't follow through with the resolution. And you start to let yourself off the hook. The number one reason is that you're not resolved. So why waste the time? Besides, at the end of the month, you'll cancel your gym membership. You'll continue to smoke. You'll continue to do whatever it was you wanted to do because you were not absolute resolute. The second reason why you shouldn't have a New Year's resolution is because you're not ready. It is not time. Have you considered everything that it will take for you to actually accomplish your goal, whatever that resolution may be? Do you have the money? Do you have the resources? Do you have the support system? Do you have the time? And besides, if it was something that was critically important, you wouldn't have to wait to January to set that resolution. So why wait? The third and final reason why not to set a New Year's resolution is you're setting yourself up to fail. Why do I say this? Because if you're not resolute and you're not ready, you're already gonna set yourself up for failure. You're not ready. And besides that, besides not being ready and besides not being resolute, that failure is gonna lower your self-esteem. You're gonna feel bad. You're gonna feel like a quitter. And who needs that? You're just gonna put something else on the list that you did not follow through on. So forget about making New Year's resolutions. Besides, if last year's resolutions is this year's resolutions, then this year's resolutions may well be next year's resolutions. That means they're not getting solved. So why waste your time? Here's a better idea. How about you do proclamations and declarations? Declare to yourself as well as others, people who will hold you accountable. Declare what it is that you are going to do and ask them to hold you accountable, to check in every week to see if you're making steps towards that resolution. And if you don't want that type of pressure, then don't make the resolution. Why bother with it? It's time to not play games with yourself, because time keeps pushing into the future and we keep making the same resolutions over and over and over, and we are lacking the number one ingredient, and that number one ingredient is being resolute. If you're not resolute, you're not ready, then what's the point? So forget about New Year's resolutions and start thinking declarations. Until next time, like, comment, subscribe, and if you have a great idea, put it in the comment section below. And until next time, conquerors, conquer with character.